Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by creating a Google Cloud project and enabling the speech-to-text API so you have quota and billing linked. Next, create a service account and download the JSON key. This file authenticates requests. Install and run Google Cloud SDK, then run gcloud auth activate service account with the key to make calls. This ensures your local environment can call Google APIs securely. Once done, confirm IAM permissions include roles/cloud speech. Client so you won't hit permission errors later. You should convert audio to linear 16 or FLAC at a 16 kHz or higher sample rate for best accuracy. This reduces resampling artifacts. Then choose Synchronous Recognize for short clips or Long-Running Recognize for files over 1 minute, and set model and language code to match the content. Construct a JSON request with config options, encoding, sample rate hertz, enable automatic punctuation, and include either base 64 audio content or a Google Cloud Storage URI, so the API you run the request via curl or a client library, and for long jobs, poll the operation until done. This executes transcription reliably. Once complete, parse alternatives for the top transcript and confidence numbers so you know which segments may need review. If accuracy is low, check audio quality and channel layout, confirm sample rate hertz matches the file, and try an appropriate model or enable enhanced recognition. These fixes address the common causes of poor transcriptions. One key tip: reprocess with noise reduction before retrying.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.